Struggling to decide between Constant Contact and Hubspot for your business? Let's break down which platform is the right fit for you in just 90 seconds. First up, Constant Contact. It's renowned for its simplicity and ease of use, particularly when it comes to email marketing. Think intuitive drag and drop email builder, perfect for creating visually appealing newsletters and promotional campaigns. Constant Contact's pricing is straightforward, making it an attractive option for small businesses and those just starting out with email marketing. It is generally cheaper than Hubspot, especially at entry level. Now, let's look at Hubspot. It's a powerful all-in-one platform offering a complete CRM, marketing automation, sales, and customer service tools. Hubspot provides a much more holistic marketing approach. Hubspot excels at marketing automation, allowing you to nurture leads, personalize customer experiences, and track your marketing ROI with detailed analytics. This deeper functionality comes at a higher cost. Consider your business size and marketing strategy. Constant Contact is ideal for smaller businesses prioritizing simple email marketing, while Hubspot is better suited for larger organizations needing an integrated CRM and advanced marketing automation. Both platforms offer email marketing, but Hubspot goes way beyond with comprehensive CRM and sales tools. If you only need email marketing, Constant Contact will be the right choice. If you are looking for a complete marketing platform, Hubspot is the right choice. So, the winner? It depends on your needs. Constant Contact, easy and affordable email marketing. Hubspot, an all-in-one powerhouse for growth. Choose wisely and subscribe for more marketing insights.